Welcome to the show. I'm your host, Tammy Brown, over here with Pat McAllister LaDuff.
Correct.
And she is not a stranger to the show because you've been on before, Pat. Pat, you do so many great things in the community and wanted you to come on and talk to everyone about what you got going on. You are the, again, correct me when I go through it, the president
Right.
and founding member of CADAV.
Right.
Is that correct?
Right.
And-
Community Against Drug and Violence.
Community Against Drug and Violence,
Yeah.
right? And then that's in the Scotlandville area.
Scotlandville Community, yes.
And then your other, you're the president or executive director of
Scotlandville Community Development Corporation, and we build houses for first-time home buyers.
Nice, nice. And then another something
Together Baton Rouge.
Together Baton Rouge.
Actually, one of the starting members of Together Baton Rouge, and working with the executive committee to make Together Baton Rouge happen, and it's coming right along.
So you do lots of stuff. Pat does. You watching. I'm sure you recognize Pat. She does a lot in the community. Gives back to people. One of those can-do people. Pat, tell us about CADAV. Tell us what you guys do, how people can get involved, what you need, anything. Talk to the public about that.
Well, Community Against Drug and Violence, we are commencing our 20th anniversary. I just really can't believe it's been 20 years.
Wow.
October 7th, 1993 is when we actually had our first organized meeting at home in my actually in my living room.
Yeah.
And
How did you start it? What made you start it?
My little brother had been killed.
I didn't know that.
And
I'm just knowing that.
Yeah, and basically, the drugs had just taken over our community,
Mhm.
and it was so bad the police would even come into our community at some time. Drive-by shootings, just selling drugs on every corner, and so my aunt, Sadie Roberts Joseph, actually we together made that happen, and
Wow.
we started meeting, and then we came up with the name, and she got with someone to do a corporation, and before we knew it, we had an organized organization. And so she was our first president, and then I was the secretary, and so now I'm president, and she's gone on to do the Odell S. Williams Museum.
Wow. Yes. Yes.
So we have just been going and going, and so we moved on to trying to get the library in place.
Yeah.
And so we were for that, so now that's our meeting place, and we meet there every fourth Tuesday at 6 o'clock.
So it's open to the public for those watching?
Open to the public. It started out for just banks, and then folk were just so excited about what we were doing and how we were turning things around.
Yes.
And actually, with all the crime going on, crime is down in the Banks community.
All right.
So
All right.
we
It's
are
wonderful.
excited about that. And we do a Miss Banks pageant where we choose the queen of our neighborhood.
Nice.
And Sierra Fogan is actually our Miss Banks 2012. 2013, 2014 is Miss Sierra Fogan, and in her court. And so we have done that for 18 years that
Nice.
we've had that. And so this year, with our 20th year, we're going to do something a little different this year because of the child obesity in the state of Louisiana.
Yes.
We want to concentrate on the awareness of obesity for the youth of our community. We talk about drugs, we talk about, staying in school and all of that. Now we want to address health.
Sure.
We
Yeah.
got to take better care of ourselves. We have so many babies that are diabetic, taking insulin, injections in the office, at school, and we can control some of that.
Yeah.
And so now CADAV is taking the lead with healthy eating and exercising.
Wonderful.
So June 1st, which is the first Saturday in June, is always our festival, our community festival where we celebrate. So we've celebrated for 19 years in this park, the Breck Park, the
Wonderful.
Scotlandville Breck Park, and this year we're collaborating with Breck to do the trail walk. So
Awesome,
from
awesome.
9 to 10, we will have a trail walk for youth obesity awareness, and then from 10 to 4, we'll have a festival in
Wonderful.
the park with vendors. Even Tammy will be there.
I will be there.
Any
Well, with
information you
Cavalieri
can think
Technical
of.
College,
That's
yeah.
right. Any information you can think of. Those people.
It's like a
everybody
big
will-
party in the park.
A big party in the park.
And
I
you
love
guys
it.
always have so much fun. And I've been to everything that you do at that park, because you've done other things, it's always exciting. And
Yeah.
lots of people come out. What are you going to have for food and stuff like
Oh,
that?
free food,
Yeah.
free drinks. Coca-Cola has been so good to us for the last 20 years. They always provide all the drinks that we need. And this year we have jambalaya
Oh, yeah.
that's coming, and we always have hot dogs. And this year we're going to do turkey dogs.
And we have and games for the kids.
And spacewalk, games, face painting, balloons.
Fun.
We want to get the car seat company there. We want to get the cancer awareness,
Yeah.
And breast cancer and all that. All those vendors, we want to have them on site.
So just create that awareness in the community at every level.
At every level.
A holistic approach.
A holistic approach. That's actually.
Well, I'm looking forward to it. And we want to invite the public to come out too and check it out.
Yeah. It's free to the public. It's not just for the Scotlandville community. It's not just for the Banks community. It's awareness. It's Community Awareness Day, and so we just want to bring everybody to one location at one time.
Yeah, that's a beautiful part.
Yes, it is. And then the BREC portion of it, it's BREC and YMCA. So many people in the community still thinks that it's a paid membership for just YMCA, but it's a collaboration between Exxon and BREC and some other partners, and the BREC component is free. It's a BREC park that's open to the public. Yeah,
that's awesome.
Yeah, the only part you pay for is if you want membership at the Y.
Now, we're going to put your phone number on the screen in case people want to volunteer, because you may need some help with the face painters and take kids' games, right, and all that.
Yes.
So we'll put your phone number out there so they can call you if people want to volunteer to help out on that day.
Yes.
Because it's going to be fun.
Yes, it's
and we're looking forward to it. And then your daughter's going to be on a little later, talk a little about it too.
Yeah.
A little later on in the show.
Yeah.
Now, tell us about the other initiative that you're involved in.
Scotlandville Community Development Corporation, we build houses for first-time home buyers. If you are renting, you are paying too much. We want to encourage our residents to start buying. Pay attention to your credit report. Pay attention to things that are on there that are not yours. We have so many residents in the community where their parents are actually making bills for them before they're ever even at the age of getting a bill. And so we're trying to help our residents get into homes, and they have to satisfy and take care of bills that really are not theirs. And it's really a shame, and it's really sad. And I say to the community, parents, aunts, uncles, don't do that to your children. Don't do that to your children because that's half the battle for them. And so you're 25 years old, you have your car, you have your job, you're trying to get a house, and then you got all these bills, the credit card bill, you've got the cell phone bill, the water bill, the electric bill, all of that under your name, and it doesn't even belong to you. So, just helping the community get that cleaned up, and we're going to do an awareness on that to come because we have to do a better job with that. But the city offers up to $30,000. Sometimes in some cases even more if you include bond money and all of that.
And this is again in the Scotlandville area.
In the Scotlandville area, but we will
help people buy homes.
That's exactly right, and we will build what you can afford.
And so, so people watching that are renting. So, what would they have to do? We're going to have your number on the screen, of course.
Right.
But what is the process for them to actually get involved in that?
Scotlandville Homes is located on Garchaw Street at Scenic Highway, and there's a sign that says Scotlandville Homes, and Marion Zachary is our executive director. 355-3446, and that's 355-3446. And Miss Bobby also works in the office, and they'll do an intake form on you. And you pull your credit report, and you just come in, and we do a first-time home buyer class for them, and just walk them through the entire process.
And so when they do that, so you guys help with the down payment, or is it they pay it's going to be a smaller amount than rent, basically?
Oh yeah, most of.
So people don't realize that. People think.
No. We don't have anybody. I don't think we have anybody paying even $500 a month, and these are brand new.
People don't realize that.
You pay less buying. Yeah.
Right, and the people are thinking, it's like growing up, my family, they didn't own their home, so we rented.
Right.
And so, growing up in that environment, I assumed that people who bought homes were rich. They had all this money.
That's exactly right.
And the truth is, it's actually cheaper.
Yeah, it's cheaper.
And it sounds like a fairy tale, but it really is true. So call this number, those of you watching, to get more information.
Yeah, 355
we'll put that on the screen.
3446. And most people pay less than $500 a month. And it's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Brand new house. with the covered garage door opener, separate laundry facility.
The whole thing.
The whole thing.
We definitely want to encourage you guys, call this number.
Yeah.
Buy your home, don't rent it. If you're in this area, go buy your home, right?
That's right. And most rent now is running $650, $750 a month, even in our community. And you can buy a home for $500.
So we definitely want to promote that with the number out there. What about anything else going on? I know you're always doing so much.
Doing Together Baton Rouge, working, very, very hard with the churches, organizations, and institutions of Baton Rouge to form Together Baton Rouge. And now we have gone a step further with Together Louisiana.
Oh.
So we have branched out, bringing in Shreveport, Lake Charles, New Orleans, Monroe, Alexandria area, doing statewide meetings now, and we're addressing the tax, of course, with our governor, and we've done the transit, and we've done bridges. So
nice.
We've actually had implemented now when the city is ready to repair a bridge, they have to give notification to the citizens. There has to be a sign up saying when the bridge is going to be closed and when it's going to be opened. Before, the bridges would be down, the community didn't know it was down, you didn't know when they were going to start, they would go years and not finish, so there's a start date and a finish date.
That's great.
Yeah.
And you're of course you're a professional, but we're talking about your community development side, your community outreach side. I mean, you're just a person in the neighborhood who now has created these 3 different entities, but you had a passion for something and you did something about it.
Yeah.
And I think for people watching, I think people think, I can't do that, I can't do that.
I'm just a regular person. Get
and
out
people
and
can
take
do that.
care.
Whatever your passion is, right? Whatever
right.
is on your heart, do it, and you look how doors open for you and you help people.
Right. And people want to help people that want to help. So if you don't know what to do, come to the meeting on 4th Tuesday.
Yeah, we're going to have that number out there, yeah.
Yes, at 357-7824, and also any information you want, you can just Google KDAV or my name, Pat LaDuff, and get some information to take charge. I tell people we are the they and the those.
That's a good point.
Those people. They ought to do this. We are those people.
Right.
We are the they. The city. We are the city.
That's right.
So call for your lights out. Call to get your ditches clean. Call to get some sidewalks in. Street signs are down. We should have street signs on every corner. If your street sign is down, 311. Now that's one thing that our mayor has done for us. That has been one wonderful thing. A one-stop number.
Right.
311. So the trash is not being picked up. That, along with the new deal we have with the big trash cans.
Yeah.
The mayor, if he has done nothing else, he has helped to clean our city with 311 and the big trash can.
But of course he's done a whole lot for the city.
Exactly.
But that's a big deal. That was a big deal. Yeah.
That's a big deal for the little people.
Yeah.
That you can understand, because so many people didn't have trash cans and they were dumping on site. Anywhere they could find, and so not to discount anything he's done, but I'm talking about at a very, very minimum level that has had such a great impact.
Sure. It changed the whole community.
We'd hardly have any vacant lots where you find so much trash dumped, because guess what? The sewers and trash is included on your bill.
Right.
So if you're going to pay for it, you may as well call 311 and make them come pick the trash up.
Right. That's right.
So that was a great thing to have done. A great thing to have done.
Well, so glad that you're my friend. I'm glad to call you friend because you do such great things. And we're going to see your beautiful. Wait till you guys see this beautiful and smart, and married and bought a house and graduated from Southern. But she's going to be on talking about something that KDAV is doing on next. But again, thank you, Pat, so much. I want to have you back on the show. Thank you. And everyone, stay tuned. Don't go away.
Thank you.
Well, this is Miss Ebony Galloway. Hey, Ebony, so glad to have you on the show. Thank you for being here with us. Now, you're going to talk about KDAV's 20th anniversary. And, well, first of all, and I know we said it earlier because your mom was on, but tell us, the audience again, what is KDAV?
Right. KDAV is Community Against Drugs and Violence, and it's an organization that was started 20 years ago. And the organization initially started because of the violence in the community, in the Scotlandville community. And so now 20 years later, here we are getting ready to head up our anniversary obesity walk. And so that'll be coming up this summer, and so we're looking forward to that.
Now, you're from the Scotlandville area.
I am. I actually was raised on 7th Avenue, and I attended Banks Elementary,
Okay.
and then went on to Scotlandville Magnet High, and then Southern University. So,
And what did you major in?
I actually majored in paramerchandising and textiles, and I had a minor in marketing with a sales concentration.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Now I know the audience watching. They probably all the channel servers have stopped at this moment. Are you a single? Because you're beautiful. Are you a single lady? Are you recently married?
I'm
huh?
recently married. Yeah,
Yes.
recently married with a daughter.
Oh, a beautiful
Yeah,
family,
yes,
a beautiful,
yes.
this beautiful young lady out of Scotlandville. And
That's
so
right.
tell the audience, what can they do to be a part of this obesity walk? What can they do?
Registration is free. All you need to do is go over to the Howell Park YMCA break gym, and their registration forms are already available for you. It is free registration.
Great,
So
great.
they just go in, sign up, and put the number of people that plan to attend, and that's it. Bring awareness to obesity. Living in Louisiana, we know that Louisiana is #2 in the nation for obesity, just shy of Mississippi. And so what we're going to do is bring obesity to the forefront for young people, our youth, and also older people in the community that may not even know that they're considered obese or overweight.
Right.
And so this 1K walk will allow everybody in the community to come together and walk to strive to do something different after this walk.
To add like exercise to their lifestyle.
Right. And the park that the obesity walk will be held in,
Mhm.
that park is a nationally recognized park. It's only 3 in the nation.
Okay.
And so we also want to bring awareness to this great area that we live in, but have no knowledge about the awards that it's been granted just because of the way of the makeup of the park.
And where is it again, the park?
The park is in Banks Community.
Mhm.
It's right off of 72nd Avenue, and so it's actually located in a brick park.
Okay.
So the trail will go through that brick park, and it goes through the entire neighborhood of the Banks community. But we're only going to walk the 1K of it.
So there'll be something to encourage the people to actually take advantage of that park right there, and to, you don't have to necessarily be a member of a gym.
Right.
You can walk right in your neighborhood, a beautiful park, award-winning park.
Exactly. And most of the streets in the Banks community lead to the back of this park.
Oh, wow,
So you
okay.
can literally leave your house, walk to the end of your street, and walk the same trail that we're walking.
And it's a nice
Saturday.
sightseeing.
It is.
Yeah, so
It
it's
is.
peaceful to walk. People don't take advantage of that, because when you're walking, you're
Right.
building those endorphins, and it feels good, and
Right.
you're getting healthy.
Right. And we have beautiful weather here, so why not?
Yes,
Right.
yes, and
Yeah.
good food.
Yes.
So you're gonna eat the good food and then go walk in the
it off.
pretty park.
Right.
Well, Ebony, I thank you so much for being here. You're such a beautiful, isn't she beautiful, everybody? I know the audience is going,
you.
yes. Thank you so much. You're such a smart young lady. So glad to have you. And
Yes,
everyone
thank you.
come out and see Ebony and her mom and everyone out there at the Obesity Walk on,
That's
what's
right.
the date again?
That date is Saturday, June 1st.
And we'll put the phone number on there for them, for you guys, if you want to be a part of this Obesity Walk. We'll put the phone number for you to call and get more information.
Yes.
So stay tuned and don't go away.
Can't wait to see you there.